Hello traders, you are welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to recognize swing points on your chart. Okay, so basically identifying swing points in Forex trading is essential for making informed decisions. We are going to be looking at a detailed guide on how you can recognize swing highs and lows using trend lines, support and resistance levels, and other techniques. So first of all, what are swing highs? Swing highs are peaks that are formed when price reaches a high point followed by a decline, as we can see here. Price reached a high point followed by a decline. On the other hand, swing lows are formed when price hits a low point followed by a rise. Okay, so we have a swing high here, we have a swing low here. Now, how do you spot swing points? First of all, you can spot swing points by looking for areas where the price has reversed direction, just like we can see here. Swing highs appear as local maxima and swing lows appear as local minima. Okay, minima, maxima. Okay, now time frame also matters. You might want to use different time frames to find swing points. Higher time frames provide stronger signals. So if you are a swing trader, you might want to be working on the higher time frames. If you are a scalper or an intraday trader, you might want to go to, any time frame of your choice, depending on the time frame that you prefer trading on. Okay. Now for a swing high, you might want to draw a trend line connecting the last two swing highs, extending to the right. Now, let's look at good examples. Okay, so we have a swing highs here, right? You can see we use a trend line. This is our point A, this is our point B, and point C. So we connected two swing highs, and it led us to the third swing. It led us to the third swing high. It led us to the third swing high. So when you are marking out swing highs using trend lines, the first swing high, the second swing high, the first 2 points, we're going to be using that to draw the trend line. Then as for swing lows, you just need to connect the last two swing lows. Okay, the last two swing lows. So for example, now we're going to be drawing a swing low here. We can see that we connected 2 points. Okay, we connected 2 points, and that led us to this point. So you connected two low points together, and then at the third point, if we are considering entering a buy, we would have waited for price to get close to the trend line to enter at the third point. Same thing with this. If we're considering entering a sell, we are waiting for price to get close to the high, the trend line at the third point before entering a sell. Okay, now when the trend line breaks, if price breaks above a descending trend line, for example, let's say we have a descending trend line. This is for a bullish breakout. So we have a descending trend line like this, and price breaks above, for example, it signifies a potential bullish move. You can see as price broke above, it came back a bit, and then we had a rally. Now on the other hand, when price breaks below, let us see if we can find such. Okay, when price breaks below a trend line that is in the bullish direction, when price breaks below, signifies a potential bearish reversal. So you can see what happened. The price, after the trend line got broken, see the price came down all the way to this point. Okay, now you can also decide to use technical indicators like the moving averages, in addition to the trend lines, and in addition to horizontal support and resistance levels. You can also use moving averages, to further confirm your entries and exits. Okay, when price crosses above the moving average, it indicates a buy. When price crosses below, it indicates a sell. So you can use that for additional confirmation. For example, at this point, price was trading above the trend line, and then when price finally broke above the moving average, we have considered entering a buy trade. Okay, sell is happen. Sell trade can be entered when price breaks below the moving average. As you can see, it happened below around here. Just additional confirmation. We had a break of trend line here also. You can see that we have point A, point B, and the trend line got broken around here. And just around the same point that the trend line got broken, we have price go below the moving average. So that served as additional confirmation. You can also use reversal, candlestick patterns, candlestick reversal patterns to confirm your exits and entries as well. When you have important candlestick patterns form around the support and resistance zone, around a point where price broke out of a trend line, it can also serve as additional confirmation. Okay, so remember that our swing highs are usually used. So when you have more than one swing highs, for example here at the site of two swing highs, consecutive swing highs, use that to draw your trend line at the site of two consecutive swing highs. Okay, then in the case of either in the bullish direction or in the bearish direction, in the case of swing lows, same thing. You use the consecutive two swing lows to draw your trend line. Okay, so basically that is how it works. Once you have identified swing points, consider how you will enter trades. You can use market orders or you can use limits. Okay, you can decide to just set pending orders. For example, you have identified these swing points and you have drawn your trend line. You can just consider entry setting maybe a buy limit order. You might just consider calculating some distance and then maybe almost the same distance between the previous highs, or previous lows for a buy, and you can consider setting a buy limit. Or you can just wait for price to get there and enter the trade yourself using a market order. So depending on the kind of strategy that you use for your trading, okay? But basically, mastering the identification of swing highs and swing lows can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Okay, so by combining visual techniques with tools like trend lines and support and resistance levels, you'll be well equipped to spot crucial market reversals. You might want to practice these techniques consistently so that it can become, easy to use in your trading routine. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.